Hey, what's going on, and happy Monday. Hope you guys had a great day. I'm going to talk about a couple positions that I opened up today and my forecast for Opti, Nugs, and Bkyi. So the first position I'll talk about is Bkyi. I see huge potential in this stock going forward as it is an election play. A couple things that are not in our favor is that this EMA line, but it's not that bad if you're planning on making 2 cents. So as you can see here, we had a slight gap up from the previous day by about a penny, which is not bad. So something to look forward to in the next coming days is to break this EMA line right here so we can push up towards $1. And I think this stock will go up to $1 just because the election's coming up and school is in session. So Bkyi announces contracts with 3 colleges to provide student access to campus resources. So they've been doing this for the past month already, and their projected sales are expected to be a little higher for quarter 3. So we can look forward to that come October. Now, next stock I'm going to talk about is Nugs. So this is the wheat stock that I've been talking about for so long. So if you look at the 6-month graph, we are kind of using this step pattern right here. So there's a step, and then we're looking to push up higher with this next step. So it's fairly bullish in my opinion, but we have this EMA line to contend with once again. So it got rejected today, which is all right, but it made higher highs than yesterday, and it closes about the same. So we're not making any lower lows anymore. So I think this is a pretty good support here around 7.2 to about 8. And profits that we can expect to make in the short term are about at 11 cents or higher. Montana is voting to legalize weed pretty soon, so we have that to look forward to next month. And a couple more news. So basically, the U.S. retail cannabis is expected to rise 40% in 2020, which is pretty good. So I'm looking at this more as a long-term hold, which is why I only have $1,000 in there, because I don't want to have too much risk. As you can see, I have a pretty substantial position in Opti. I'm down about 1,500, but that's not bad because we have a couple exciting things happening here. So today was a rough day. We almost closed below the EMA line, but it seems to be acting as a support right now. So a couple things to look forward to is every time we hit this EMA line, buy, because it's going to go back up. As we see today, it was down about 15% to about 7.5, which is just below this, which is why that candle wick is right there. So a couple things looking forward to in this stock. Obviously, we have that patent pending approval. And I was thinking about it today, maybe OPTI can be a long-term investment with a small amount of capital in it. So we invest heavily until it bounces back to about 13 cents or higher, and then we hold a small position in it when the patent comes out in about 11 to 10 months or sooner, because after that we have opportunities to be bought out by companies like Apple or Samsung to get that screen patent for their phones, tablets, and computers. So that's kind of what we have going on this Monday. Opening up some positions, pretty bullish on other positions. And don't forget, OPTI and KNOS both have great marketing teams. So it's only a matter of time before we get more PRs pushed out and the stock prices rise. Hope you guys have a great day.